If you're a student right now, I need you to listen closely.
Have you ever felt anxious before the exam, or if your teacher called you to just suddenly pop up and said, do a 5-minute presentation in front of the class? Would you feel anxious? Yeah? So that is actually the trigger of sympathetic nervous system.
Because if you're feeling anxious, distracted, burned out, and falling behind, you're not alone. You wake up already tired. You sit through class with a spinning head. You try to study, but can't focus for more than 10 minutes. And every night, you go to bed feeling behind. The truth is, your brain's not the problem. Your nervous system is on overload. And the most powerful way to fix it is your breath.
Our peak performance of our lung function is up to 25 years. And after the age of 30, our lung function declines. Yeah. So 25, 30, your lungs are so good. Another thing, if you're taking care of it. Yeah. But if you're putting it through a trauma, I would call it, like vaping or inhaling a lot of polluted air and a lot of stressful activities, a lot stressful thinking process and inactivity.
If your smartwatch erect, your spine is slouch, and you're watching the Netflix, watching my phone, everything is.
This is not meditation. This is not a wellness fad. This is a 14-day guided breathing reset, built specifically for students who are overwhelmed, anxious, and ready to feel like themselves again.
You some focused breathing, and that gave you some rhythm and taught your nervous system how your breathing should be happening, an equal breath. Yeah. How did you guys feel about it?
It was quite calming, I'd say. It helped me breathe a lot deeper than I normally would.
I think it like relaxes you, so you like become like more conscious and aware of like what you're actually doing and like your surroundings.
Yeah, so that's a good point. That's getting awareness of the whole thing, body and emotions and other things. Okay.
I also found it really relaxing.
Okay.
So basically, I found it like really interesting, the ocean breathing. And even though I may like not have gotten it like completely down this time, maybe with constant practice I can get it interesting. I mean, get it like perfected. And also like the healing sounds on the kind of gong thing. That was like quite new, but also interesting.
I found sound healing really useful in like getting immersed and getting focused, because it like aids your breathing as you like. I thought a lot more about my breathing compared to when I was like silence.
Yeah, and this is different, isn't it? The dry breathing, yeah.
I think the healing sounds were quite unique because like up until the last session that I had with you, I hadn't really like heard anything like that before.
Mm-hmm.
But I actually think they're like quite helpful because the frequencies are like calming somehow. I don't know.
Yeah, sound frequency definitely have an impact on the nervous system. Yeah. Thanks for sharing.
I think the healing sounds also gave a lot of clarity.
Here's what you commit to. 30 minutes a day for 14 days. 4 guided Zoom sessions spread across 2 weeks, daily affirmations and simple journal prompts. Sent directly to your phone. No pressure, no fluff. Just real, intentional breathing to reset your system. And here's what happens when you do it. Your focus improves. Studying doesn't feel like a war anymore. Your sleep deepens. And your energy actually lasts through the day. Your anxiety drops. You stop spiraling, overthinking, panicking.
Doing this breathing technique directly before an exam can help you calm your nerves before the exam when it matters most.
And yes, your grades get better because your mind is finally clear, enough to process, retain, and think. Our piloted program has made changes in our students' lives. Within 2 weeks of this challenge, they found clarity, calm, and control. They started studying smarter, sleeping better, thinking sharper. And the results? They speak for themselves. This isn't about perfection. This is about progress. And it starts with just 30 minutes a day. So if you're ready to take back control of your mind, if you're ready to feel calm, focused, and finally get your life and then your grades back on track, this is your sign. Join the 14-day breathing challenge now. 4 Zoom sessions, 2 weeks, 1 habit that can change everything. Don't fall behind on yourself. Let's breathe. Let's reset. Let's go.